Welcome back to Aunt Cici's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make homemade hamburgers from scratch. First, you're gonna have a portion of ground meat. As you see I have here, I already cut piece in half, ready to be prepared. And secondly, you're gonna wash your ground meat in cold water. And then we're gonna start adding our spices. Alright, first I'm gonna add my onions. Then I'm gonna start putting it together. And I'm gonna add some aboya if you like, or you can use salt, but I like this because it's better, to me it's better than salt. Then I'm gonna add some garlic. Then some parsley. Black pepper. I will be adding some McCormick steak seasoning. Now I'm going to start mixing it together. Now I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs is mainly to keep the hamburgers tight from falling apart. Now I'm gonna take the meat, I'm gonna be rolling it, make sure that it's folded in, massage it real well. And then you're gonna take your hand and you're gonna do like this. One burger. I'm doing the other burger. You're gonna roll it again. Make sure everything is folding. And then Then you're gonna flatten it like this. And let's go with the next one. You can continue rolling all your meat like this until all is finished. You're gonna put your pan on the stove and you're gonna turn it to medium. And for those who don't have low, medium, or high, you can set your temperature at 7 or 8. When your pan is heated, then you can start to add your oil. Vegetable oil is preferred. When the oil is heated, you can add your hamburgers. Now you will add your burgers to the pan. You could be monitoring your burgers and flip it on the other side to cook. And this is how your homemade hamburgers should look: juicy, scrumptious, and ready to eat.